What is up, YouTube? So today I wanted to do a quick video here just on my Galaxy S20 Ultra camera, or the rear camera, just because I think it looks so beautiful and it's very unique because it stands out from the smartphone main display. I think this is because to capture more light they sort of had to do this, or maybe they even did it just out of a design move, but I think it's because the sensor is like so big, I think, and it just looks so beautiful. I love this. And this is like when I go out a little bit. So here you can see like the whole phone, like how it looks. 6.9-inch display. The irony of that is that the phone doesn't feel big at all. It just because it's very slim on the sides, it really feels like just like any other big Samsung device. And I like the heavy weight to it. It has this like premium kind of weight to it, so it has some heaviness to it. I love that. And I love the 100x text that's down there, even though it can be a little bit hard to see. You can see that it has a couple of big sensors here. I wasn't super big a fan of this like grayish color on this smartphone, but Samsung's black smartphone, which had the black side instead of a gray side on the back side, it was kind of delayed, so I didn't want to wait, so I sort of got this one instead. You can see that on the front side it has like the standard like just little port there, so it doesn't have so much fancy stuff at the front side. And I mean, I may do a video showing this 100x zoom. You can say that the first up to 30x zoom kind of makes sense, but then you don't really see that much difference from 30x to 100x. The regular camera is just so amazing. Like, it's really amazing. And I haven't done so many videos in 8K, mainly because it only shoots 24 FPS, which is can be shown to be a little bit laggy. And the kind of weird part about 8K is like most people don't even have devices that can sort of support that. But wow, it just looks amazing. Like, I'm so happy about this design. I'm very curious to see if Samsung is going to keep up doing these like large kind of sensors on the back. It kind of seems like it, because they started to level up their cameras a lot last year with the Galaxy S10. Really amazing camera, like such a big step up compared to, for example, Galaxy S8. And now they're doing this like huge sensor and kind of doing this like traffic light design that we talked about Apple sort of doing a little bit, but this one looks a little bit more cool. Or I should say, this one actually looks a little bit more like a kitchen stove design, because it has 1, 2, 3 kind of sensors there, and then the flashlight there. And I think this one down here is used for the zoom. Now, I don't know that, I may be wrong about that, but yeah, it's a little bit of a dust magnet, a little bit, but I don't really care that much about it, you know. So yeah, quick video just showing the back kind of design of it. It looks professional, you know. This is the flagship device. The Galaxy S20 Ultra is the flagship device. It's like the best device you want for this year, mainly because the front-facing camera also shoots 4K at 60 FPS, just amazing quality. Such an improvement from last year. It may struggle though on the inside if you have poor light, but in sunlight conditions it's just amazing, you know. So if you can test out this camera, you should do it. Amazing both for video and photos. Yeah, have a great day.